Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall and real-life mobile basketball game on iPhone. So let's get started. First, locate the NBA Live mobile basketball game on your home screen. Tap on the NBA Live game and hold on to it until a menu appears. From the menu that appears, select the Remove App option. Choose the Delete App option to confirm that you want to uninstall NBA Live game. Finally, tap on the Delete option and now the NBA Live mobile basketball game will be uninstalled from your device. And this is how you can uninstall NBA Live mobile basketball game on iPhone. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.